So some of the feedback we receive from customer service is the end treatment bowing into the window, the end treatment bowing out of the window, or it's just not hanging right. The secret to adjusting the end treatment on a Luminette privacy shear is the attachment of the end treatment at the top of what we call the swivel plate. Now, if I look at the end of the shade here, this swivel plate truly does swivel. And at the top here, there's Velcro located there that holds that swivel plate onto the fabric. I can go ahead and lift up on the Velcro and it removes very easily. Then I can adjust the Velcro and the end treatment in any direction. So to show you what a fine-tuned adjustment this is on the end treatment of the shade, here is what it looks like when it's slightly up. You can see the vane bows out into the room. It can cause energy into the rest of the shade. I can go ahead and move it down as well. It moves into the window opening and out of the window. Again, creating energy that dissipates in through the columns of the fabric. So I'm slightly bowed into the window here. You can see it's bowing into the window. I want to lift the fabric up to go ahead and move that end treatment straight up and down, appearing vertical. You can see my vane and the end treatment is much more straight than it was previously. Another trick is to come around over here. This is a wan shade here, but go ahead and run that vane fabric to the closed position, and now I can check the end treatment here and see if it lines up straight with the vane behind it in the closed position. I don't know, that looks pretty good to me. Let's go ahead and turn the vanes in the opposite direction and check it again. And there it looks a little into the room, out of the window. So we're going to go ahead, lift up on the fabric here and remove the Velcro and adjust it a little bit again, and then check it in the open position. And now you can see our end treatment appears straight in the window opening, and I have no distortion of the fabrics or vanes next to the end treatment. Another thing to understand about the Luminette Privacy Sheer end treatment is the end treatment here often has the Velcro in various positions. You can see the Velcro I have here is not completely straight. So I want to go ahead and line it up with the end treatment on the swivel plate here, and I may line it up and adjust it a couple, 3 times to get that vane in the straight vertical position. And that's how you adjust the end treatment on a Luminette Privacy Sheer.